Dizzy Gillespie always said that improvising is like painting. You have all the colors and you have your brush, different texture, different kind of things, and then you start to create a work of art. Visualize the idea of the whole speech. The speech should have an intro. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You cannot say good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's like creating a good speaker. When they make a good speech, you're gonna see the dynamics of the thing. The improvisation is the same thing.